Hi everyone, I know it's been a rather long day, so I'm going to keep it super short. Like I was telling Avish, I've clocked it to 3 minutes. Not going to talk or get into the details of idea कैसे आया, कैसे pitch किया, कैसे company create की, सबकी story अलग होती है. Right? So I want to talk a little bit about what we do, and then थोड़ा सा, because I'm here to talk about entrepreneurship, so थोड़ा सा maybe I'll touch upon the entrepreneurship journey. But I want to start by asking you guys a question. How many of you here will agree that all of us are going to die someday?
It's the truth. It's the only truth. It's the only truth.
Yeah? 50-90% हाथ ऊपर थे. This is the first room, otherwise in every room that I enter, a full 100% people agree that this is the truth. So tell me, if death is such an undeniable, universally accepted truth, then why do we take life for granted? So, 2023, I one day called my paternal grandfather, Dadaji, to wish him on his birthday. And when he answered the call, after telling me how much he loves us all, he shared with me how he has been thinking about his life and wondering what did he do wrong. And why is God punishing him and not letting him die? It was his 95th birthday. And while all of us were hoping and praying that we would get to experience his 100th birthday with him, he lay in bed, fighting with God, hoping for that to be his last day. He spent the last 5 years of his life bedridden. And this made me realize that long life or longevity can be a blessing, but it can also be a punishment. For us, for our parents, even for our grandparents. And when I talk about taking life for granted, I'm not talking about not spending time with our loved ones or not doing those things that we keep putting off. I'm talking about really taking the thing that keeps us alive for granted, the thing that allows us to spend time with our loved ones, the thing that allows us to enjoy the things that we enjoy. Can you guys guess what that is? Our physical health. Right? And today, while we might not be able to accurately calculate how many years we're going to live for, I embarked on a mission to create a tool that will help us analyze, given our lifestyle, our health today, what our health span looks like. That means how many of these years will we remain and stay healthy. And then work with our bioparameters and our biological data to be able to tell us exactly what to change today when it comes to our diet, our lifestyle, our sleep, our health supplements, to be able to lengthen and strengthen this health span so we actually enjoy our lives till the last day that we're here on this earth. And that's how the Biohackers Company was born. Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Malik. I'm the founder of the Biohackers Company. And I'm excited to be here because this gives me an opportunity to welcome all of you. Oh, I thought I had a PPT on. Okay, fair. To welcome all of you to join me at the Biohackers Company. This is today a stealth community or a stealth group where I am inviting a couple of people to volunteer, join, work with us as we work with you to reverse your biological age and help you strengthen your health span. Now, since I am to talk about my entrepreneurial journey, really quickly, like many entrepreneurs here, I think the reason I decided to embark on this painful yet fruitful journey is because of a deep passion for functional health and a deep desire to create something accessible and affordable that will empower you to strengthen your health span. And I think we live in interesting times today. Right? We see a convergence of technologically driven advancement thanks to AI. We see users and consumers open to empathetic innovation. We see user globalization. Honestly, it's one of the best times. I can't think of a better time to actually begin your entrepreneurial journey. But before you start, using Mark Mason's words, know which shit sandwich are you willing to eat. Because honestly, this journey is alienating. It's excruciating. And the only thing that allows an entrepreneur, or at least allows me to wake up in the morning and keep doing it over and over again, is a deep purpose. So if you found your purpose, no better time to take the entrepreneurial journey. Thank you.
No, but what is the product?
It's an AI model that works with your biological data to analyze what your health span looks like today and to be able to create a diet protocol, lifestyle protocol, sleep protocol and supplement protocol to strengthen your health span. That means to reverse any of your imbalances. Now I can't share the nitty-gritty of it because like I said, it's in stealth mode right now and we're inviting people to join us in the stealth mode, but it's essentially a health AI model. You guys have heard of Brian Johnson, right? I think Brian Johnson is the one who's made this very popular. Age reversal and health span. So everything he does in the crazy extreme end of genetic therapies, we're doing it simply with your blood work and your blood chemistry or your blood report in simple terms.
So what do you mean by stealth mode? Like how do people connect to you and all?
There's actually a QR code in the PPT. Is it possible for us to share it or you don't have it?
Currently not.
Currently not. Great. So what I'll do is I'll share, I'll give you guys my website. You guys can look it up. There is a link to request access. Because it's stealth mode, we kind of are going through a process of selection to let people in. It's the biohackersclub.in. Right? THEBIOHACKERS club.in. And a lot of other information is there that we are able to give out, but essentially it's a model that will help you reverse your biological age and strengthen your health. Thank you.